Hello friend, welcome to another tutorial. Today we will discuss about the DNA polymerase third. DNA polymerase third of prokaryotes. In last video we will discuss about the DNA polymerase 1, 2 and something about the 3. Today we will discuss about the, as in last video we say that the DNA polymerase have 10 subunits. कितनी subunit होती हैं? 10 subunit. So how these 10 subunits work, which type of work they done? As thus on screen we saw that the DNA polymerase enzyme have an alpha unit, epsilon, theta. These are the three important units in which the core enzyme contain alpha, epsilon and theta. The main catalytic property is present by alpha, यानी कि polymerization, the formation of bond is gained by alpha, and it also helped by epsilon and theta, so on. And the second thing is the beta. Beta is known as the clamp. Beta is known as the clamp, sliding clamp. Sliding clamp. तो बीटा को क्या कहा जाता है? Sliding clamp. We will discuss about it. And it have another unit that is known as the tau. Tau is used to dimerization of two DNA polymerase. दो DNA polymerase को जोड़ने का काम करती है tau. And this delta dash prime, gamma, psi, and this x gamma, these work as a beta clamp loader. All these, except tau, So these units act as a beta clamp loader. As the DNA polymerase is loaded on the DNA template, it will remove. So practically how it work, let us see. कैसे काम करती है? It is let's see it. Here we draw a diagram of DNA. This is the DNA, है ना? And here is मान लो it is a site of ORI site. And when the DNA protein A come and bind to this site, and it will bring the DNA B. So the first is come DNA A, it will bring DNA B, which come with DNA C. A is removed after loading the DNA B. So DNA B is loaded inside the 2 DNA template. Here it is also a hexamer unit. It have 6 unit DNA B, and it comes with C. The C is also removed. So there is 3 protein that is known as the DNA A, DNA B and DNA C. 3 come. First DNA A, then DNA B and DNA C. Both DNA A and DNA B is left after loading the DNA B. That is the helicase. Then after that, the another protein that is known as the DNA G, which come and bind to helicases, and it will produce a small amount of RNA. approx 15 to 35 nucleotide, and it also left the DNA just by adding the primer. Just by adding the primer. So, oh sorry, I have to make it back. Wait a minute. There is a need of different colors. So first, this is the DNA on which replication is going on. This is the helicase unit, and the primase produce these primers, and left only the helicase is there now. Helicase is there now. And if you talk about the, this is the 5 prime, this is the 3, this is the 3, and this is the 5, for example. Now we talk about the DNA. So what is the sequence of RNA produced by primase? Like this, and the its sequence is, it is in the direction, so direction is this, है ना, 5 to 3. So what happened there? The DNA polymerase enzyme with it's come to here like this कि its alpha unit must join this A side. This is the 3 prime. तो जो 3 prime होगा RNA का, it contain OH. तो it combined here and the another combined here. Alpha unit की बात कर रहे हैं हम. And this is also alpha unit, one here and one here. This is the alpha unit. Okay. And the its 2 units are also engaged with it, epsilon and theta. Now what is the tau? This is the tau, and this is the another tau. This is the tau, and this is the tau. This is the tau. And the what is the role of beta clamp is here? What did a beta clamp do here? Let's take the beta clamp is here. The beta clamp is here. So DNA organized, DNA polymerase organized on a DNA like this. तो अगर इसको वैसे देखें तो ये एक DNA स्टैंड है, और इस पर जो क्लैंप है वो इस तरीके से चढ़ गई है कि ये DNA के ऊपर गल गई है, इस तरीके से जैसे कि किसी ये छल्ला डाल दिया जाए इस रिंग के अंदर, है ना, इस तरीके से. जैसे आप लोगों ने अगर जो देखा हो तो स्लाइडिंग चेयर्स होती है ना, बड़े पहाड़ों पे चढ़ने के लिए या उत्तराखंड वगैरह की तरफ जाते हैं, जिनको उड़न खटोले या उड़न तस्तरी के नाम से भी जाना जाता है, कि 2 वायर्स होती हैं ऐसे, और उन पे एक साइड से इधर और एक साइड से इधर रिंग डली होती है, और बीच में चेयर बैठने की बनी होती हैं, और इसमें बैठ करके ये मूव करते हुए एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जा सकती है. तो DNA polymerase third is like this, arranged on the DNA. तो इस तरीके से DNA polymerase जो है वो DNA पर अरेंज्ड होता है, DNA polymerase थर्ड. जैसा कि हमने पिछली वीडियो में डिस्कस किया था कि जो DNA polymerase 1 है वो केवल 20 न्यूक्लियोटाइड ही लगा पाता है. जो DNA polymerase 2 था वो कह रहा है कि मैं 40 न्यूक्लियोटाइड पर सेकंड लगा पाऊँगा, ये कह रहा है इतने. लेकिन जो DNA पोलीमरेज अपना थर्ड है जिससे रेप्लिकेशन कराई गई, वो कह रहा है कि मैं 1000 न्यूक्लियोटाइड पर सेकंड ऐड कर दूंगा भाई साहब. डेट इज़ द प्रोसेसिविटी, यानी कि स्पीड ऑफ ए DNA पोलीमरेज. तो ये स्पीड इसको कहाँ से मिली? क्योंकि ये उस DNA के ऊपर स्लाइड करता हुआ, मूव करता हुआ जा रहा है. it is sliding over the DNA. It is sliding over the DNA, moving like a slider, moving like a slider, है ना. That's why it can add 1000 nucleotide per second and 15,000 50,000 nucleotide per minute. That is its processivity, speed of a DNA polymerase. So it is very important question come from here. What is the core enzyme? When the DNA polymerase have its all subunits together, then it is known as the core enzyme. It have three main catalytic regions: alpha, theta and epsilon. Beta is the sliding clamp and theta is the dimerization unit, and these all proteins are the loader. ठीक है. इसी तरीके से आई हैव वन मोर क्वेश्चन फॉर JRF here. That is there is a one enzyme that is known as the DNA polymerase alpha. Only enzyme in world which is discovered till today which can produce RNA as well as DNA. ये दुनिया का अकेला ऐसा एंजाइम है जो पहले 15 से 20 न्यूक्लियोटाइड आरएनए का जोड़ेगा और फिर उसी आरएनए के बाद खुद ही डीएनए बनाना शुरू कर देगा. तो आरएनए 15 से 35 न्यूक्लियोटाइड ये आरएनए बनाएगा और फिर क्या बना देगा, खुद ही डीएनए बनाना शुरू कर देगा. इट्स सो एंड इट इज़ ओनली फाउंड इन यूकैरियोट. इसकी डिस्कवरी हुई है यूकैरियोट्स में. तो इन eukaryotes the DNA replication is started by DNA polymerase alpha. Who start the DNA replication? DNA polymerase alpha. And prokaryote DNA replication is started by primase enzyme and then it is joined by polymerase third. Similarly, the DNA polymerase alpha is replaced by in eukaryotes DNA polymerase epsilon and delta. Epsilon and delta, and the switching of a one polymerase with another polymerase is known as DNA polymerase switching. This is a very important question. These are the question. One is the which enzyme have the ability to produce RNA as well as DNA. So that ability is shown by DNA polymerase alpha, and the replacement of a DNA polymerase alpha with epsilon and delta is known as polymerase switching. थैंक यू. ऐसी इन्फॉर्मेशन के लिए हमारे चैनल को फॉलो करें, लाइक करें और कमेंट करें अपने क्वेश्चंस को जो भी रिलेटेड हो UG, PG, NET, JRF, ETC.